moment. We will have witnessed the working of history, broken lines of connection being stitched together by ritual, scholarship, and reciprocal respect. The 5 pillars do not deliver a single tidy origin story because human identities are not tidy, but together they give us a rigorous, generous way to approach the past, one that honors both the archaeologists find, the grandmother's tale, the geneticist statistic, and the priest invocation. So in this keynote speech, we do not seek to reduce identity to single proof. We seek to restore the dignity of memory, to honor the courage of those who refuse to be reduced, and to build institutions that will allow the land of Eri to be a living resource and a source for future generations. In every tongue that utters, I am, in every song that remembers, and in every step that retraces the ancestral path. The world now hears the same truth, that to be Igbo is to belong to a story that cannot die. So let us rise, custodians of memory, heirs of resilience, builders of tomorrow, and carry this ancestral flame forward, not as a relic of the past, but as a living covenant with the future. Because in the end, beyond all borders and centuries, the circle is unbroken. The children have come home. Eze Aka Ji Ofo, Ayaka Ndigbo are the people who, against all odds, refuse to vanish from history's map. Your Majesty, distinguished audience, given that Igbo story is one of its past continuity, the river must flow back to its source. We are a people who have died many symbolic deaths, yet continue to resurrect. From slavery to civil war, marginalization to global acclaim. The world now looks towards Ndigbo, not merely as traders or survivors, but as custodians of a philosophy of resilience. The blood that crossed the Atlantic has not thinned, it has thickened with time. The ancestors who walked into the waters of Igbo land did not drown. They transformed into a mythic consciousness, now returning home through the light of Lawson, Jakes, White Tatum, and countless unnamed descendants. Let this festival be more than a cultural pageant. Let it be a reaffirmation of identity and a renewal of hope and purpose. Let our language, let our proverbs, be our reaffirmation of identity and a renewal of purpose. Let our language, for as the Igbo says, the river never truly disappears. It only finds a new path to the sea. The river of Igbo destiny flows once again homewards. Homewards to where? And today, here we are knitted and bonded in one blood, one heart, one destiny. Igbo kwenu. Igbo kwenu. Igbo kwenu. Dalenu. Egeno. Chokwanu. Una amuchara. Igbo gadi. Igbo adilia. Dewen.
Standing ovation, standing ovation, standing ovation. Let's appreciate Professor in a special way. Professor Christopher Uchenna Abedo. Professor, thank you so much. You can have your seat. Thank you so much. Please, we will have our seat.